Hey guys, welcome back to Teachpeer YouTube channel, and today WordPress tutorial I will show you how to fix the border that appear around the link when you install the Astra theme. Right, so I'm gonna click on this link and you will see the border around the link. If you click any of the link, so this is the outline border, right? And this video I will fix the issue to remove the outline border. So I'm gonna first inspect, and then I'm gonna hover on the uh, link text and then click on hover and then click on focus. So you will see the border around the link text, right? This is the outline dotted border, and we will remove this border from any of the link. So first I'm gonna log into the WordPress dashboard. So I'm gonna write here my username and password. Now I'm gonna click on the login button. Once you log into the WordPress dashboard, so let's visit the site in a new tab. So I'm gonna click on visit site, open a new tab, and from here on the top I'm gonna click on the customize options. In the sidebar you will see the additional CSS. So I'm gonna click on additional CSS, and here I'm gonna paste the custom code. So I'm gonna copy this code, and don't worry, I will provide this code in the video description. From here I'm gonna copy, and now I'm gonna paste the code here. Okay, here you will see a active uh, outline. So I'm gonna publish this one, and let's visit the site again and visit in the new tab. Now I'm gonna click on the link. You will not see the border around the link. If you click any of the random link, so you will not see the border. Now I'm gonna inspect and click here. I'm gonna hover on this link and click on hover and click on focus. So you will not see the rounded border. In this way you can fix the issue and the Astra theme. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.